Angle model. From this we can find the properties of circle, angles, line and polygon. First I would like to start with circle. This is known as the diameter of the circle. The diameter divides the circle into two equal halves, and the half of a circle is known as the semicircle, and the half of the diameter is known as the radius. Now, this is known as the chord of a circle, and this is known as the arc of a circle. So, I would like to see some properties of a circle. The diameter, the angle extended on the diameter of circle is always equal to 90 degrees. So, with this angle equals to 90 degrees, and the angle extended on the arc of a circle equals to so this angle equals to this angle. Now I would like to move on to lines. These are known as intersecting lines. These two lines are known as intersecting lines. Let us omit this line. This is known as intersecting point. This angle equals to this angle. They are known as vertically opposite angle, and even this angle equals to this angle. Even they are known as vertically opposite angle. Now I would like to move on to polygons. Polygons are cube-shaped figures. The polygons with 3 sides are known as a triangle. The polygons with 4 sides are known as a quadrilateral, and the polygons with 5 sides are known as a pentagon. It has 5 sides. So, the angle sum property of a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So, the angles, if you would like to know the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we will divide the quadrilateral into 2 halves. So, 2 triangles are formed. If one triangle equals to 180 degrees, the 2 triangle equals to 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, which is equal to 360 degrees. Now if you want to know about the angle sum property of a pentagon, we will again divide the pentagon into 3 triangles. The 3 triangles are formed. If one triangle equals to 180 degrees, the another triangle equals to 360 degrees, and the another triangle equals to 540 degrees. So the angle sum property of a pentagon equals to 540 degrees. And now I would like to move on to the Pythagoras theorem model. The Pythagoras theorem is only valid for right angle triangle. So this is known as the base of a triangle, this is known as the perpendicular of a triangle, and this is known as the hypotenuse of a triangle. Now we will set the perpendicular as, like this we can set the different perpendiculars. Now this we have set the perpendicular as 20 centimeters. So if you would like to know about according to the Pythagoras theorem model, the Pythagoras theorem, the formula is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So the perpendicular here we have set as 20 centimeters. The hypotenuse is fixed, which is 35 centimeters. Now we will find the hypotenuse here. So we'll put the values in it. Perpendicular is given as 20, base is given as 35. So approximately the answer will be 40 centimeters. So now we'll measure this. So it is approximately 40 centimeters. Thank you, ma'am.
The magic of colors, in which one chemical is overpowered by another chemical or leading to another color. And these experiments that we have done is on the basis of 3 titration. Number 1 is neutralization, number 2 is formatometric titration, and number 3 is gravimetric titration. So now I'm going to show you some magic. As you can see, it is in transparent color. And now it is another color.
White color.
as you can see, it is in purple color. It will turn into another color.
Now, as this is blue color, so we draw another color.
This will make this color more dark. So now the another topic is evolution of atomic models. As we all know that atoms are made up of three particles: protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles, which was discovered by Eugene Thomson. Electrons are negatively charged particles, which was discovered by J.J. Thomson. And neutrons are neutral charged particles, which was discovered by James Chadwick. After this discovery, this was the question that how the scientists had arranged these particles in the atom. So the first model was discovered by J.J. Thomson. It was said that the atom looks like watermelon or a pudding, and it has protons or positively charged particles. As you can see, green color, it is in protons, and electrons, as you can see, orange color is electrically neutral and negative. But this model was discarded. And so another model which was discovered by Rutherford explained that atoms have empty space between them, and that electrons, we have made it in yellow color. These electrons revolve around the nucleus. As you can see, nucleus is made of protons and neutrons, so it combines together to form nucleus. They revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit in a very high speed. But this was also discarded. Due to the electromagnetic theory of physics, it was said that that any object that it goes in acceleration will lose its energy. So this was said that electrons are not stable in an atom. So another model that was discovered by Niels Bohr explained that electrons, as you can see in orange balls, was revolved around the shell in a very fixed place, and that these shells had a fixed capacity to hold these electrons by 2n squared. And this nucleus, as you can see, the shells which was closer to nucleus has less energy as compared to the shells nearer to the nucleus. So this was the experiment that they did. And these are the artificial snowflakes. As we all love to play snow in the winter season, but we eagerly have to wait for winter season to play with it. But by this experiment, we can do it in summer season also. Like by putting hot water and borax. This makes in hot water, as we know that hot water helps in the increasing of saturation point. So it increases the saturation point, and borax, when it cools down, when the water cools down, this borax crystallizes and forms into snowflakes. As you can see, ma'am, you can even touch it, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
It has 6 square faces. These are the edges. It has 12 edges and 6 vertices. These are the vertices. This is a prism. It has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. It has 9 edges and 6 vertices. This is a square pyramid. It has 1 side of square and 4 sides of square pyramid and 4 sides of triangular face, and it has 8 vertices and 5 edges. This is a cuboid. These are the faces. There are 6 faces. These are the vertices. There are 8 vertices, and these are the edges. There are 12 edges. This is a triangular pyramid. There are 4 triangular faces in it. These are the vertices. There are 5 vertices. These are the edges. There are 6 vertices in it.
When the air comes from this surface, this fan rotates. When it rotates, this is a generator which generates electricity. This generator, it transports the electricity to the capacitor. This is the capacitor which stores the electrical charges. These charges are sent to the homes through which you can have electricity, bulb and light below. And this is Newton's disc, which is discovered by our great Isaac Newton. This is of 7 colors. These are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red and red. When this color mix, it causes white color. This is the functioning is
especially this is somebody and you can see the far object and you can see the nearby object on this. For example, if you are inside the water and if you want to see the upper level of what is going on and what is there, you can see with the help of this. And I want to show you the one that the thing is that what is the difference between periscope and telescope. The difference between is with periscope you can see the nearby object and with telescope you can see the far away object, and its angles are 45 degrees. And this and this is a magnetic mirror. You can see magnetic mirrors, and I want to show the use of this one. Why is this? Because inside of this there is one magnet over there, and in my hand there is inside of there is one magnet still over there, and in my hand there is one magnet which is North Pole and South Pole. And as you know that when North Pole face to North Pole they get repulsed, and when North Pole face to South Pole they get attracted. And same thing is happening over there.
This object we can learn about many different shapes, and it is made of 3 mirrors round and 8 and 6 degree angles each.
As we know, a substance can either be a base or a solid. We can know whether a substance is touch it. We can know whether it is a acid or a base by tasting them. Like acid is that from a landing port of the star. We cannot taste everything, so we have to use indicators. An indicator can be natural or artificial. But we are using natural indicators over here because they are more eco-friendly and easily available. Some natural indicators are turmeric, or as you know, the most commonly found litmus paper. A litmus paper turns red very fast. This is already turning red onwards. When it comes to contact with the while it comes to contact with this is the water, and you know it is while this is lemon water, it is sour. It contains citric acid. When this acid comes in contact with, like I said, red paper, it will turn it will not change color. While when it comes in contact with blue litmus paper, it will turn pink. When it comes to contact with it will change color. But again, when it comes to contact with this, it will change red. And this is soap water, which is a very when it comes to contact don't make noise when you write it on this one side, it will turn blue.
Boys, please move out. Boys, you can come photo with your parents. Go. Best please you come.
It will not change color. Now, as we will talk about the virus, scientists call them bacteriophage or phage for short, which means bacteria. As the name suggests, it replaces bacteria. They are living the same copies of themselves, but for that they need the body of the host. Now, what is the important chemical component of the host? Like a spinal case over shape. This is the head, this is the body, and this is the tail. This is the genetic material or RNA of the virus. It is not the exact model, but we have tried to visualize it. As you know, antibiotics nowadays are losing their touch, and our immune system is weakening day by day. So, scientists are trying to use this virus to stop those diseases from spreading. Even some organisms such as MRSA, which produce very harmful diseases, are evolving and into better species. species which do not one with the antibiotics do not work. So we are using this antivirus. It was discovered by Felix de Herald in 1st September 1974. He was a French Canadian microbiologist who individually funded the whole experiment. Herbarium sheet. A herbarium sheet is a collection of preserved plant species. These are the plants which we collected on the campus, so you may be able to recognize many of them. A herbarium sheet is used for scientific studies, but it can also be used by students to learn about it. As you know, students nowadays learn better when they learn better practically instead of theoretically. These are very useful. A herbarium can be of many types also. A Fungaria which is based more on fungus, different types of fungus. A Xylarium which is of the species of worm, or a Hortarium which is based more on the horticultural species. A horticultural which is very useful as they are commercially produced and they are very beautiful. We have a strict biology and they have the scientific name and the common names. Now I will talk about the transpiration. As you know, the plant use roots of the roots to suck water. The water which is sucked by the roots is actually lost. 99.97% to 97% of the water is lost to transpiration. Transpiration occurs through stomata Stomata has spores which is used to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. These are also used by shoes to give out oxygen. We have stopped the air so that we can see the process of transpiration. As you can see, there are little droplets forming on the water which have condensed from water vapors to water.
Like nowadays, as usual, like fuels are getting exhausted, such as petroleum. Petroleum is in less amount in the world, so now it is being used in many things such as boats and like vehicles. So we can use through electrical energy. This is a boat which runs to electrical energy. These are the two fans which exerts the pressure at the back or the air pressure, and it moves front. The function is how it works. This is how you can save natural resources, and you can give ideas to different technologies and
Roy is a very well-known writer. Arundhati Roy was born in Shillong, 1961 in Meghalaya, India. Her first novel, The War of Small Things, won the Booker Prize in 1997 for fiction and has sold over 6 million copies worldwide, an immediate bestseller. It has been published in 16 languages and 19 countries. She has also written many non-fictional books including The Cost of Living, The Inheritance of Loss, The Ordinary Person's Guide to Empire, etc.
কবি সাহিত্যিক শ্রীজাত বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় একজন আধুনিক কবি। তিনি 1971 সালে জন্মগ্রহণ করেছিলেন। তিনি কলকাতায় অনেক বই লিখেছিলেন। তিনি মার নাম হল শ্রীলাভ বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। তিনি অনেক অ্যাওয়ার্ড পেয়েছিলেন, যেমন 2004 সালে তিনি একটা হচ্ছে আনন্দ অ্যাওয়ার্ড, আরেকটা হচ্ছে ফিল্মফেয়ার অ্যাওয়ার্ড। তিনি অনেক সিনেমার থেকে অনেক গান লিখেছিলেন। তিনি কয়েকটা বইয়ের নাম হলো ছোটদের চিড়িয়াখানা, অকাল বৈশাখী। তিনি ফেমাস হয়েছিলেন উড়ন্ত সংযোগর।
Academy Award पाउनु भएको छ। उनले अहिलेसम्म 5वटा पुस्तक लेख्नुभएको छ। लाइफ अफ बटरफ्लाई, घाउको रङ, उहाँको सबभन्दा फेमस कविता चाहिँ काफरे अमेरिका हो। धन्यवाद।
इनका जन्म 1970 को 10 फरवरी उत्तर प्रदेश में हुआ था। इनके पिता का नाम चंद्रपाल है और इनकी माता का नाम रमा शर्मा है। इनके 4 भाई और 1 बहन है और ये सबसे छोटे हैं। इनके पिता इन्हें इंजीनियर बनाना चाहते थे, लेकिन वे उनके कुमार जी को अपनी पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगा, मशीनों की पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगा, इसीलिए इन्होंने बीच में ही अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ दी और हिंदी के साहित्य क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़े। और इनकी पुस्तक एक पगली लड़की के बिना और कोई दीवाना कहता है बहुत फेमस है। इतना ही नहीं, वे आजकल हिंदी फिल्मों में भी गीतकार के रूप में कार्य करते हैं। पिछले कई सालों में इन्होंने बहुत सारे पुरस्कार भी प्राप्त किए हैं। आप इनकी कविता को देख सकते हैं, बांसुरी चली आओ। ये बहुत फेमस एक मशहूर कविता है, उनके द्वारा रची गई है और इन्होंने सभी लोगों को देश प्रेमी बनाया है।
I'm asking, she was actually over there. But she got one.
ये जो फोटो क्लिक कर रहे हैं ना, जो वीडियो फोटो डायरेक्टर मैम बोला सब मेरे कंप्यूटर में दे देंगे, आज ही दे देंगे।
किशोर दाइ हुनुहुन्न
हुन्छ
कहाँ हुन्छ
अफिसमा हुन्छ
अनि उयो चाहिँ हाम्रो के भयो किशोर दाइको उयो क्या रेणुका दिदीको देवर चाहिँ खै
उता अपार्टमेन्टमा गएको उता हामी
कसरी मोबाइल
सबै मिलाएर
मजा लाग्दैछ राम्रो भयो दाजुले त सामान ल्याइदिएर त बेटा यस बेटा लुगा त होला हेरेर त्यो चाहिने त्यसको चाहिने मैले हिन्दी पर दाजु तपाईँले आनन्द दाजु भन्छ त मलाई हिजो म जाँदाखेरि फेरि नि बाटोमा उत्रेर आनन्द भाइ यो एलइडी किन्नु लाइट त नलाग्यो राम्रो देखेर यो सबै चिजबाट बल्ब हुँदा लाग्छ त यसै लागि भनेपछि सबै ल्याएको थियो नि अलिकति मेरो फोन हेरिदिनुहोस् न किनभने मेरो धमै नआयो तपाईँलाई सबभन्दा बेसी के आइटम मन पर्यो अस्ति यति सामान मगाउँदा तपाईँलाई लाग्छ
after the credits.
Form after the credits.
भयो अरे हौ जानु जो भयो अब के तिमी सबै
What is this? What is meaning of reference?
of nature law. This is the paper replica and this is made from the
Cause of
swan,
disorganization.
which is made from the leaves of the garden. And it has been painted
Causes,
in
causes.
And this is the red Indian, which is also made from the same leaves of those trees.
Continue deforestation, we don't get
This
medicine.
is also very sad.
which serves you. Actually, the service of the product or any kind of saloon or beauty parlor, yes, any kind of shops. It also says you that from which time it will start and which time it will end, and also the main function of it or main importance of it. The main important thing in website designing that most of the people prefer is that you can search for anything, anytime. Even if you are sleeping, the website will do your work by providing the service to the person. If you're a businessman, then if you're a shopkeeper, then you won't open your shop for a person who just want to inquire it, right? You won't, right? You will be sleeping at night nicely. Who will open that? But your website will do the same work. Now, who needs it? People like us needs it. Because in this era of digital world, everyone wants to be digitalized actually, right? No one wants to be backward. Everyone wants to be or go with the flow, something like that. And website is used by everyone. If you want to search for new products or like any new jeans, t-shirt, we go for the website, right? We won't go in the a cart and search for any like everywhere that where is the best product found or where is it there or not. But we will directly go to the search engine Google and we search it and the website will appear. Now the third is what we need to know to design a website. Very important question. You must be thinking that, right? But it is very simple. It just requires HTML and CSS, which your child will learn when he or she will be in class 8 or 9. Even I've learned, even my friends have learned. And it is so simple. It just creates, you just need the base of it. If your base is strong, then definitely your building will also be strong, right? That is how exactly it works.
Look tall. You have to look tall.
Yeah, I told her the same thing. I told her make the one. Should I look up or look 6'1"? With up 6'1"?
I'm not sure.
I'm like 5'1". Right, so you don't wish to put sorry. I want from this side. One from that also walk out.
Sun is in my glass.
No, take. You better give us a picture. I think there's a picnic picture only. Down. Finish. You didn't say ready. Let me see. Thank you, parents.
Okay. So please see if you want.
You hold both the things together, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Both same direction.
Stuck भइगयो
It seems dirty, but it's not enough. It's not. It's not.
Mas, digital.